What's up guys, Mitch from Panda Motorworks here, and today we are going to be doing some lighting upgrades on the Ford Maverick. For this install, you will need either a flathead screwdriver or a T20 Torx bit. However, we do recommend using the T20 as it'll make the job a little bit simpler. All right, so we are going to be upgrading the lighting in our third brake light and cargo light. All you're gonna need is that T20 Torx bit, and you're just gonna unscrew these 4 screws, and then you'll have access to the bulbs. All right, once you remove the last screw, you'll simply just pull the third brake light away, and you'll notice you have 3 bulb sockets holding your bulbs. You'll simply twist and remove. You can go ahead and set this aside. And from here, we'll be able to upgrade the bulbs. So first, we are going to be upgrading the cargo lights. Those are going to be these bulbs right here on the outside. They do emit white light, so we are going to be upgrading them with some Diode Dynamics HP36 bulbs. All right, so all you have to do is grab the bulb, pull it out, take your new Diode Dynamics HP36 and slide it into place. And then just simply repeat that on the other side. When you're finished, it should look like that. So next we'll be moving on to the third brake light. In standard form, these emit a white light behind a red lens to give you the red light. However, we are going to be upgrading to a Diode Dynamics XPR that is actually red. Therefore, you'll get a much brighter red and a much brighter LED light in the process. Again, just pop the old one out, put the new one in. When you have your new Diode Dynamics bulbs in the sockets, you're going to go ahead and reattach the sockets to the third brake light by simply putting them in and twisting, just like we removed them. You'll then put it back into place, and then get your screws, and then you'll reattach. Now that we have our third brake light reinstalled, let's go ahead and kill the lights and check out the upgrade. All right guys, that's gonna just about wrap this video up. If you guys want to check out the Diode Dynamics third brake light and cargo lights for yourself, go ahead and check out the link in the description. I'll be sure to include that. If you liked the video, be sure to smash that like button. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit subscribe and be sure to drop us a comment. Thanks for watching.